Hi.
Hi. You can meow down, please.
Hi. Oh, where should I sit? Here? Okay, thank you. I'm a little nervous, you know, because I haven't done this before. I mean, with a cat. By the way, does lying down actually help?
Of course it does. Hell, I'll meow down too.
Oh, you will lie here. Oh, okay. Is this part of the therapy?
So, what made you come here?
Well, I don't actually know why. I mean, I don't know where to start. I'm bad with expressing myself with words, you know.
You can meow sounds if you want.
Excuse me?
Well, emotions matter, right? I, for example, make sounds like this when I'm angry. Meow! Or before I throw up, I sound like this. Wow, 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 wow. And when I'm hungry, I make sounds like this. Meow!
Oh, okay, well, how about when you're sad?
Meow!
Well,
Ah, well, I will try to guess if you don't know how to say it. Is it because no one gave you a snack in a while?
Is that a code for sex?
Sex? What is sex? I mean a snack to eat.
Oh, snacks. Well, yeah, I have a lot of snacks at home. These snack too.
Nice.
Yeah, no, I don't know, I feel like I'm losing myself. Everyone is saying what I should do with my life, even my very good friends. And then I just listen to them, and then I don't know what I want anymore.
Did you try to run towards these bastards when they're sleeping and wake them up by staring at them?
What? No, why would I do that?
I don't know. Sometimes it helps me to get what I want.
Yeah, but I don't know what I want anymore. I'm just so stressed out.
Then you should just lick yourself for a while, even though you're clean. It is very relaxing.
Lick myself? I just told you I have these snack.
Yeah, you start on your paws.
Oh, lick myself.
It's really soothing. It makes wonders. Meow it. Come on. Yes. Now try to go further. Try to lift your leg and lick yourself there.
What? No, this is ridiculous. I'm not going to do that. I don't feel comfortable doing this.
Well, as you wish. So, what do you feel towards these friends of yours? You feel sad because of the situation, but how about anger?
Well, yes. Sometimes I feel so angry, I want to strangle them, you know? But then I feel bad because I care about them at the same time, you know?
You know what you should do? Run through the living room. Up, down, up, down, up, down. You can stop in between to sharpen your claws. The anger and the negative energy will just burst out of you. Do you feel angry right now?
Of course I feel angry. I mean, you're giving me weird freaking suggestions. This is not going to help. I mean, I've been to a lot of therapists. I know the drill.
Well, what did you expect? I'm a freaking cat. You're weird for coming here.
Okay, you have a point there.
And why have you been on so many therapies? Obviously nothing worked. You should try it before you judge me. You should try it right now, in my living room. Come on. I mean, you have nothing to lose, right?
Well, I'll give it a shot. God, this is better than screaming.
Meow told you so.
What the hell?